Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to power off or turn off your phone. So in this video I will show you some couple of methods to turn off your device. The first one, press and hold the volume up button and the lock button. So here you can see the option to power off, slide to power off. This is the first one. And the second one, press and hold the volume down button and the lock button. The same page you can see, slide to power off. This is the second method. And the third method, simply go to settings, tap on general, scroll to bottom. You can see the option shutdown, tap on this one. You can see the same page, slide to power off. This is the third option. And let me show you the fourth one. Just press on volume up button, then lock button, press and hold the power button. You can see the slide to power off. Tap on this power button and slide. Now your device is turned off. So in these methods, you can simply turn off your device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.